Imagine sitting with a cup of your favorite coffee, laptop open, ready for a new venture. Today, I'm diving into the exciting journey of deploying a mean stack web application on an Azure Linux virtual machine. Picture this: we have the mean, expressive, AngularJS, and Node.js stack to bring a world-class web application to life, all while sailing on the cloud. Azure Linux is our vessel, and it looks like the perfect day to embark on this adventure. You with me? Let's get right into it. First things first, the cloud has made cloud computing, well, the go-to way to deploy applications. And Azure. It's this vast ocean teeming with possibilities. When deploying your mean stack application on Azure, you are not just running an application, you are mastering the art of web server deployment in a controlled and secure environment. Now, Microsoft's guidance on deploying mean apps on Azure, a robust starting point, right? They've cooked up this comprehensive piece that's all about making sure we can bring this mean potpourri to the Azure skies. But here's the twist: while the original content was just plain Microsoft-centric, we are going to tailor this guide to cater to IT professionals with a flair for creativity and making magic happen. Embarking on this voyage, you'll want to first explore the Microsoft documentation on deploying mean applications on Azure. Dive into the realm where documentation meets practicality. It's like finding hidden treasures, except the treasure here is unlocking the full potential of Azure for your mean stack app. Now, imagine giving this topic a refreshing twist of your own. Because when you start your blog post off, a cleverly rephrased title should do the trick: Sailing on the Azure Cloud, your personal guide to deploying a mean stack app. Don't you feel like you could be the Indiana Jones of web applications? Let's lay down our path step by step, making sure we don't forget anything important, from the preparation phase to the moment your app is happily deployed. Here's an outline that keeps bubbles popping along the way. 1. Grasp the Azure landscape, getting acquainted with Azure services tailored to your mean stack needs, like virtual machines, storage solutions, and networking essentials. Like the compass that guided explorers of old, Azure gives us the confidence to navigate these tech-infested waters. 2. Set sail with the mean stack. Begin this maritime tech odyssey by setting up the foundational backbone of your mean application. Ensure it's battle-tested and ready to withstand the dynamic Azure environment. 3. Don your captain's hat. Wrap your head around configuring the virtual machine settings to accommodate a Node.js backend along with MongoDB, SQLase, and Mongoose, because these are the loyal crew members keeping our application voyaging smoothly. 4. Chart a course with networking. Just like the best voyages, networking demands attention. Lay down the navigational map with proper Azure VNet, firewall rules, and security groups, because even the most adventurous ships need safety measures. 5. Establish your command post. As captain, secure your command post in Azure's cloud, ensuring robust storage for backups, scaling options, and proper security measures like identity and access management that shield our treasure troves. 6. Engage the sails with deploying and scaling. Time for catching the wind. Deploy your mean stack on Azure and start navigating scaling options and Azure's built-in automation to scale your application's fleet as you grow. 7. Keep a steady hand on the navigation. Monitor and troubleshoot like true navigators, utilizing Azure's diagnostics tools to steer clear of any storms, ensuring a breeze-filled journey. 8. Share the map with your crewmates. Finally, it's to share the success. Invite the crewmates for a demo and celebrate deploying your mean stack application on Azure like seasoned sailors sharing tales of the grand voyage. But this is just the beginning, folks. The real secret to our success lies in SEO. We want our crew, our readers, to find the path we blazed easily in the vast sea of the internet. A concise meta description that captures the essence of our journey. Embark on a cloud computing journey to deploy a mean stack application on Azure for IT professionals and web dev enthusiasts. Doesn't that just sound like the treasure map you are looking for? Now, as we reach our conclusion, take a look at this visual representation of your main application on Azure, the crowning jewel of this journey. And here's a little secret to bring some extra cheer to our tale. Glowing star, glowing star, glowing star, glowing star. Remember, the best voyage is shared. If you found our journey insightful, make sure to sail on to TechLab. Visit Neeraj at qzz.io to find even more treasure troves of knowledge. Keep exploring, and don't forget to subscribe to TechLab for your continual tech learning adventures. Glowing star, glowing star, glowing star, glowing star.